Hey folks, this is John back with another Easy Options trade recap, this time for the month of July 2020. I'm a 100% real trader, real job, real life, real family, not a scammer. So if you like this transparency, I would love a subscribe. It really would mean a lot to me. And if you're interested, I have a Discord server that you can join. It's currently free. The link is in the description. I hope to see you there. Alright folks, let's rock and roll. So, for the month of July 2020, I made, drumroll, $2,219. So a really good month. Could have been a little bit bigger if I would have pushed my buying power more, but I've been trying to keep it a bit lower. The market's up very, very high, and it's definitely something to be concerned about, especially with a strategy of selling option premium, okay? So, in this table here, what I did is I summarized some of the main players that I traded. We have Chewy, Twitter, MU, and AMD. There were definitely other trades, but several of these other trades ended, meaning I closed them out actually in the month of August. So I didn't include those. So yeah, Chewy, you can see I made 364, then 235, and that totaled just about 600. Twitter, 270, 240, totaled 510. MU 222, 390, totaled 612, and then finally AMD. I had one trade that was finalized in July, and that was just under $500. So that all totals to just over $2,200. So a pretty killer month. Okay, now, and just to be very transparent up front, to show you that I really am trading, believe it or not, there are a lot of fake gurus out there. The internet is nuts right now with all these fake gurus and worthless courses, etc. So let me show you my fills for all you fill junkies, okay? Alright, fill junkies, here it is. So, this is filtered for, you can see, for the month of July, from the 1st to the 31st. These are all filled, as you can see, under status. If you scroll down, here's a bunch of canceled. So these were like orders that I, maybe limit orders I put in and then changed, or just took off. So here's all the filled orders. I don't want to go through every one of these. And again, some of these, like Netflix, I didn't include because these actually got closed in the month of August, not July. But anyways, these are my fills. So take a screenshot, do what you want. Get your fix. Now, with my main trading strategy being option premium selling, if you're not familiar, you're either selling puts or calls naked, or you're creating spreads below or above the price of the stock. If that is your strategy, you definitely need to be cognizant of where the market is. We're up pretty high right now. So let me pull up the SPY. So if you're selling below, so you're selling puts, you know, we're up very high. So the market has a long way to come down if it does pull back. It's really kind of an interesting area because we're right at all-time highs. We're just testing it now. We haven't broken through. So the question is, are we going to break through, or are we going to have some sort of rejection? Do we reject and then break through? Who really knows? We're going to see. We also have the election coming up in November. So, you know, selling calls or puts during this election, I don't know about that. That's pretty risky, pretty sketchy. I'm definitely going to back out towards the election, and I'm kind of tapering down, definitely tapering my buying power down. I'm really wanting to avoid getting stuck, if the market pulls back a decent amount, getting stuck in positions. Now, you can roll, but you don't want to get stuck in something like this. I actually did get stuck in Apple during this whole thing, so it's not impossible, and I survived, and I was able to manage, basically roll out of it. But it's not fun, and it's not ideal, and it's definitely something to avoid if you can. Alright folks, that's all I've got for you today. Now, if you appreciate this content, like that I'm not a scammer, fake guru, high five that subscribe button. Thank you folks. Talk to you later.